Oh, wow, amazing Earth.
Nabanggit yan yung auntie.
Okay. Meet, I will meet my friend from Kenya. Come here. I know, she black people. She study right now.
Amerikano? Nag-group ka lang.
Black people ka rin, wow. So, this is my mayor in the classroom. This is the mayor.
What's her name?
In the classroom. She's the mayor.
What's her name? The name?
Name is Mitch. Yes.
Okay.
She looks so pretty, no?
Pwede ko?
She pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look so handsome then. Shit, hindi ko na Englishan.
Do you have a girlfriend?
But then,
Wala, what, my friend?
si Batel.
Yeah. That is my friend also.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you study?
What?
What do you study?
The time is 4:20 PM. Yung English speak one, we shit, I want translator gawin. We out in a school in 4:30. We are in a classroom right now. So we are study. But the teacher is no. Magtakutik ng English ito mo. Sorry, my English is I don't speak so much, so I don't so tangan hindi ko na alam. Never mind.
That's it's okay.
What?
It's okay, bro. Just learn.
Okay. So you play. So what? You play basketball or football?
Football.
Basketball?
Oh, yung brown down.
Football. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the popular
What do you play?
basketball. My
That's cool, bro.
yes.
Uy, bakit
In here popular game is basketball in the Philippines. So the popular game is that football.
Yeah.
Okay.